From the simplest viewpoint, vector is only list of numbers, ordered list of numbers. These numbers are called coordinates of vector. For instance, first coordinate is 1 of vector A. Not the first, because we are programmers, we account from 0. The coordinate number 0 is 1. How can we obtain access to coordinates? We should input index of coordinate. I type name of a vector, and then I should find matrix index operator. Yes. For instance, coordinate number 0 is 1. I typed equal on my keyboard. Coordinate number 2 is 3. Okay. And if we want to output all the vector, we should type equal after the name of vector in Mathcad Express.